Hello and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to unfollow everyone on Facebook at once. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to open my Facebook app right here, and then I'm going to the icon with the three lines at the top right corner. Go to settings and privacy and then go to settings. So right here, as you can see, we have this option which says news feed. I'm going to tap on that option right here. And then we have the unfollow option, unfollow people, pages and groups to stop seeing their posts. So basically this is there is the list of the person that I'm following and groups that I'm following and also pages. So in order to unfollow them, I just have to tap the person, group, the page that I want to unfollow, let's say like this. And if you want to unfollow them, all you just have to go forward and tap on them all right here. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.